and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be continuing my fall decorating and I'm going to be creating a fun fall tablescape. I just love to do this every year for every holiday. It brings me so much joy. Now, if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Casey Helton and I love making decorating, cleaning, shopping, all types of videos like that. So if that is something you enjoy, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on a video. I have so many fun fall decorating videos coming your way. I haven't even gotten halfway done with my decorating, so make sure you are tuned in. Alright, now if you watched my first fall decorating video, I decorated this area here in my dining room. I switched out the painting, added the garland, and created a simple fall table centerpiece. And today we are going to take it a step further and create an elaborate, fun tablescape. I just love dishes. I don't know what it is about dishes, but I have way too many of them. They're so fun to buy, and it's just something that I love shopping for. So I think it is fun to take advantage of that and create a tablescape. And I like to share them with you guys every season. So that is what I'm doing. And this year I wanted to use a lot of the same stuff that I did last year, just because I honestly didn't really shop for anything new for the table and thought that I would just go ahead and decorate my table almost the same as I did last year. So what I'm going to do is put this table runner down. It is so pretty with the beaded pumpkin. I got that at Home Goods last year, I do believe. And then I'm going to take these, they're like old salvage pieces of wood. They were probably like a porch post or something, but I got them at the antique store or an antique sale of some sort, and I thought they would make really pretty candle holders, so that is what I'm using them for. And I got these really big candles from Target, so I like to put the three pillars on my table, and I've used this as a centerpiece for my table several times now the past year, and I think it is really pretty. So that is what I'm doing here, and I got these large picks from Hobby Lobby, and they have this really pretty burnt orange pumpkin on them. I just think they're so pretty, and there's like corn husks, and I got those last year, so I'm putting those on each side. I love going to Hobby Lobby for things like seasonal florals and picks. They just have such a good selection. Also, we don't have a Michael's where I live, so I am limited to Hobby Lobby for a lot of stuff like that. So, oh, actually, some of these picks I got at Joann last year. So the smaller ones, which are these really pretty rust-colored leaves, and the other picks, they have a beautiful rose and some other fall foliage. They are both from Joann, and they are so pretty, and I am also going to be putting those in my tablescape as well. Okay, so this next piece that I'm adding, I really had to think twice over whether I wanted to use it or not, but they are these beautiful beaded table runners that I got from Home Goods last year, and they were kind of pricey. They were $25 each, and I just thought they were so gorgeous last year, and I used them on my tablescape, and now that I'm like looking at it this year, I just feel like it is just so much. It is so extra. Like, why? Who would even put a table runner in this spot? But I tried it without it, and I don't know, they just add a little something fun to the table, so I decided to go ahead and use them anyway. So I put both of those table runners down just for a little extra pop of fun, and I am also using these velvet burgundy placemats that I got last year at Home Goods as well. They are absolutely gorgeous. Next, I am placing these metallic chargers that I got at Target last year. I just love getting new dishes and tableware, and Target had so many great things for fall last year. I haven't really seen anything yet this year, but they are kind of slow for putting things out, at least for my pace they are. So if they have any kind of fall dishes out, I haven't seen them. They usually have a little display at my Target, but haven't seen anything like that this year. I did get these plates from Target as well, and they're this pretty gray color, and they're still available. So I will go ahead and link those down below in the description box if you want to have a look. I actually just picked up the salad plates the other day because I only had the dinner plates, and I wanted the salad plates to match because I just want everything to match with this set. And then I'm going to add these beautiful Hearth and Hand brown striped napkins that I got earlier onto each place setting. So now for a little pop of color, I'm going to add these cute little dessert plates, and they are this terracotta orange color with the pumpkin on them. I got those from Target as well last year. I really hope they come out with something like that again this year. They had so many pretty dishes. So this is what the completed little setup looks like before I add the silverware or anything like that. So I am using this beautiful gold flatware that I did get at Target. I will put that linked in the description box if you want to check that out as well. So many great tablescape pieces can be found at Target, so always be on the lookout for that. And then I am just going to finish it off with my crystal champagne glasses from Ralph Lauren. They are just so beautiful and fancy. They just make everything look so elegant, and that completes my fun fall tablescape. Like I said, I just have so much fun creating these tablescapes every season, and I've gotten so many fun new things for Halloween, and I've actually never done a Halloween tablescape before. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed because I am going to be creating a Halloween tablescape once it gets closer to that spooky season time. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you what everything looks like all finished up, and after that I'm going to show you the rest of my living room that I didn't get to show you in my very first video. If you haven't watched my first fall decorating video, make sure you go back and watch that, where I decorate this whole space, but I didn't add what I did with my fireplace and a few other spaces, so that'll be at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around to see what I did in the rest of that space. Okay, I had to switch over to my phone to film this, and I feel like the color is just so much more saturated on my phone, but this is the new vase that I got for this space. If you watched my first video, I had a white vase here, and I was talking about how I had a new vase on order, and it is the Joshua vase from Pottery Barn in the large size. Oh my gosh, guys, this vase is stunning. I actually got 2 of them, so you'll be seeing a lot of this vase in my videos coming up, but I just think it looks so beautiful, especially with the fall foliage in it, with all the moody fall colors. It just is giving off a cozy fall vibe. So I also want to show you what I did with the fireplace. I added this long drapey garland from Hobby Lobby and some pumpkins, and then I have my beautiful Mongolian fur throw from Pottery Barn that I am absolutely in love with. And I switched out my other pumpkin pillow for this one that I got at Target, and I will link that below. It is new this year in their fall decor, and it's just so cozy and cute. I had another brown one, and I put it over on my love seat. And then where I took off my big bowl of crystals, I added in this bowl from Pottery Barn and put a few little pumpkins from the Bullseye dollar spot at Target from last year in there for a little fall touch. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And again, if you are not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on a video. I have so many more fun fall videos coming your way, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!